Hello everyone, welcome back to iTech Studios. Today I'm going to show you 5 powerful Windows 11 registry hacks that will completely transform the look and feel of your PC. No third-party apps, no downloads, just pure Windows tweaks. And stick around till the very end because I've got a bonus hack that's honestly the coolest one of them all. You definitely don't want to miss it. This video is all about digging deep into the registry editor to unlock hidden customization options that Microsoft never added to settings. Let's get started. Before we start tweaking anything, we need to create a system restore point. Trust me, this is like your safety net in case something goes wrong. Click the Windows search and type restore. Now select and click create a restore point. This will open the system properties window. Head down and click on create. Now give the restore point a name. So I will name mine something like Reg Backup. Then you click create. This only takes a minute and it can save you hours of frustration later. Because if something breaks and you comment below asking for help, my first question will be, did you make a restore point? Alright, once that's done, let's move on to the fun stuff. Ever noticed how the Windows search bar randomly shows trending topics like International Archaeology Day or some random sports updates? Yeah, but no thanks. Let's turn that off. Click on the start menu and type Reg Edit. The registry editor will pop up. Click on it to open it. Click yes to continue. Navigate to this location under H key current user. Click on it for a drop down. Head down and then expand software. Under software, expand Microsoft. Go ahead to expand Windows. Under Windows, expand CurrentVersion. Scroll through and then look for search settings. Now, right click on the right panel and then choose new. From the list, select DWare32 value. Name it IsDynamicSearchBoxEnabled. I'll leave it all in the description. After naming it, hit enter on your keyboard. Double click it. Under value data, you can either set it to 1 or 0. 1 turns it on and 0 turns it off. So set the value to 0 and click OK. Then you right click anywhere on your taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Then on the search bar, type Windows Explorer. Once it pops up, right click on it and then click on Restart. Restarting the Explorer will make the effect or the changes to take place. After doing so, click again on the Windows search. You will see no more random today's highlights, just clean distraction-free search. And if you find the navigation difficult, I'll leave the address in the description as well. With the address, you can simply head to the address bar, highlight everything, and then paste the new address and then hit enter on your keyboard. This will send you straight to the location. Very simple and easy. Next up, let's stop Windows from mixing Bing search results into your searches. Assuming I want to search for a file, let's say VLC. You probably don't want to see web ads from Microsoft Edge, right? As I typed VLC here, I also had the option to search on the web. And this is as a result of the Bing search. And I don't need this. Here is how I can disable it. In the same registry editor window, select H key current user and expand it. Scroll all the way to software, then expand software as well. Head down and then expand policies. Next, expand Microsoft. Then select Windows. Right click Windows and then choose new and then select key. Click on it and name it Explorer. Hit enter on your keyboard. Inside that new key, which is Explorer, head to the right panel and then right click anywhere. Select new and then DWare32-bit value and then name it DisableSearchBoxSuggestions. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now double click it and then set the value to 1. Hit OK. Now open your task manager and then search for Windows Explorer. Right click on it and then click restart. Now when I search for VLC once more, it's local only, no web clutter, no Bing interference, just how it should be. On to the third hack. If you are running Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, which is no TPM or older CPU and etc., this one is for you. Here is how to keep receiving updates, even though your system does not support the new Windows 11 updates. Navigate to H key current machine, expand it, select system and expand it as well. Scroll all the way to setup, expand it. Select more setup. Head to the right panel, right click anywhere and under new. Select DWare32-bit value. Rename it, allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU. Hit enter on your keyboard. Double click on it and then set the value to 1. As I already stated, 1 means enabled and then 0 means disabled. Then click OK. Then you head to your Explorer in the task manager and then you restart it. That's it. When Microsoft pushes the next big update, your system won't be blocked even if your hardware doesn't meet the official requirements. For the next hack, let's restore the classic right-click menu. If you hit the new Windows 11 right-click menu with extra show more options, here is how to bring the classic menu back for good. Go to HKey current user and expand it. Expand software, find classes and expand it. Find CLSID, right-click it and then select new key and paste this exact name. I'll leave it in the description and hit enter. Now inside the new key, right-click it and then select new key again. Then paste this exact name in proc server 32. Hit enter. Double-click in proc server 32. Now in the right pane, double-click default and leave the value data blank. Click OK and then restart Explorer. There you have it. The classic Windows 10 context menu is back. No more clicking show more options. It's fast, clean and just the way you like it. On to the last hack. This tweak allows you to add apps to the desktop context menu. You can add apps to the context menu by adding some registry entries. Navigate to HKey classes root, expand it. Scroll down and then find directory, expand it. Then under directory, expand background. Under shell, create a new key by right-clicking the shell, select new and then key. Name this new key to paint. Press enter on your keyboard. Then under paint, right-click and then select new, then key. Rename it to command and hit enter. While selecting command, head to the right pane and double-click on default. Set the value data to mspaint.exe, then click OK. If you are adding a shortcut for a program other than Paint, assign a name accordingly. When you are done, right-click on your desktop. You should see the Paint application or the application you chose to pin inside the right-click context menu. You can even click on it to launch it as well. Assuming I want to do same for VLC, I'll just select shell, right-click and then new key, and then rename it VLC, and I'll hit enter. Under VLC, I'll select and create a new key. Then I'll rename it command and I'll hit enter. I'll head to the right pane and then give the value data a name called vlc.exe and I'll click OK. As you can see, I have VLC here as well. It's quite simple and then easy. You can do same for any other app of your choice. On to the bonus hack. This one make your taskbar clock display the seconds. The taskbar is set to display the hour and minutes by default. Plus, there is no option to display the seconds in the taskbar clock directly from the settings. However, you can display seconds in the taskbar clock by modifying the registry. You can start by navigating to HKey current user. Then you expand software. Scroll down and expand Microsoft. Now scroll down and then expand Windows. Expand CurrentVersion. Next, Explorer. Then you select Advanced. Right-click on the Advanced and then select New, and then select DWare32 value. Rename it to Show Seconds in System Clock, then hit Enter. Double-click on it and then set the value data to 1, then click OK. Now you should see the taskbar clock display the seconds. That's all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you are new here, subscribe to iTech Studios for more Windows optimization, customization and performance tutorials every week. Drop a comment below and tell me which hack was your favorite. My personal pick is that last one. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.